In a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 323, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised who the best and worst people are. The best person is the one who reminds others of Allah, the Exalted, when they are observed. This, in fact, refers to practically implementing the teachings of Islam with sincerity. If one fulfills the teachings of Islam with the incorrect intention, Allah, the Exalted, will prevent others from admiring them in the way described in this narration. This is indicated in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6705. It advises that Allah, the Exalted, spreads the love or hatred for a person across the world via the angels. If a Muslim desires love and respect from others, it is clear from this narration it only lies in the practical obedience of Allah, the Exalted. This involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. The worst people are those who cause separation between people and invite others towards sins. It is important for Muslims not to behave in such a manner, either intentionally or unintentionally. Criticizing people in front of others, such as one's relatives, only leads to enmity between people even if one does not intend for this. So it is vital for Muslims to only speak about things which concern them, and avoid publicly criticizing others, as this may cause them to become one of the worst people according to this narration. Whoever leads others to sins will only increase their own sins according to how many people act on their invitation. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2351. So it is vital for Muslims to act on good things and invite others to good as well.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.